picture like a fisherman throwing this massive untargeted net into the ocean, just hoping to catch one specific type of tuna.
Right, the classic spray and pray approach.
Yeah, exactly. That's what most affiliate marketers look like when they just blast generic links across the internet, praying someone clicks. Welcome to your custom deep dive into your notes on the Monaxa Partner Program.
And, I mean, that approach might grab eyeballs, sure, but eyeballs don't actually pay the bills in the brokerage world.
Okay, let's unpack this because, at its core, a partner program is really just a client acquisition channel, but your actual success relies entirely on product fit.
Product fit and the specific user journey you're building, which is our mission today, right?
Right. We're figuring out why spamming links totally fails and why you really need to match highly targeted traffic to a broad multi-product trading ecosystem. It's basically the only mathematically viable option.
Yeah, to really appreciate why Monaxa's broad ecosystem works, I mean, we have to look at the sheer physics of a brokerage funnel.
The physics of it, I like that.
Well, think about traditional, narrow affiliate pitches. They usually rely on these vague, make money online claims just to, drive massive volume.
But wait, let me push back on that a bit. If a massive wave of traffic clicks a link just out of sheer curiosity, wouldn't that high volume guarantee at least some success? Just by the law of averages.
You would think so. But what's fascinating here is that the brokerage industry has this built-in filter that just absolutely destroys low-intent traffic.
Oh, you mean the onboarding friction?
Exactly. A user clicking out of curiosity hits an absolute brick wall the moment they have to, pass identity verification.
Right, the KYC stuff.
Yeah, KYC, and then actually wiring funds into an account. They just bail.
They bail at the very first hurdle. So, a broker advertising some astronomical payout is completely irrelevant if that path to a funded account acts like a shredder for casual clicks.
A shredder, yes. That's a great way to put it. The only way to survive those high client acquisition costs is to attract people who already want to climb over that wall.
Which requires highly specific messaging. And here's where it gets really interesting, I think.
Oh, how so?
Well, because generic traffic gets filtered out, the solution is pairing a high-intent audience with a highly flexible offering.
Right, giving them options.
Exactly. It's like instead of forcing everyone to eat from a single set menu, Monaxa offers this massive food court. We're talking MT4, MT5, cTrader, Forex, crypto CFDs, and stock CFDs.
And in that food court, a trading educator can, say, hand out coupons specifically for the steakhouse.
Steakhouse, yeah.
Right. They can focus their pitch purely on execution speed and tight spreads for scalpers. Or, a community admin could promote PAMM-style participation.
Or copy trading to a group looking for hands-off exposure.
Exactly. You tailor the entry point to the exact appetite of the user.
Getting them in the door with, cTrader or tight spreads makes sense. But affiliate payouts usually require long-term trading volume. If they just dabble in Forex and leave, the partner still loses. So what does this all mean for your actual bottom line?
Well, it really comes down to the mechanics of cross-pollination.
Okay, cross-pollination.
Yeah. Once a highly targeted user clears that initial KYC and funding hurdle, Monaxa's ecosystem removes all subsequent friction.
So they don't have to jump through hoops again.
Right. A self-directed Forex trader doesn't have to open a new account or transfer wallets to try crypto CFDs or copy trading. They just click a button.
Wow. That zero friction environment just traps the liquidity on the platform. They can completely shift their trading strategy without ever leaving the broker.
Which secures the partner's lifetime revenue. The long-term economics rely entirely on that sustained relationship.
And I'm guessing that's supported by all the backend stuff, right?
Oh, absolutely. That unsexy but critical backend infrastructure, transparent reporting, reliable tracking, clear terms is what holds it all together.
So overpromising with generic get-rich claims actually damages your conversion.
It does. You attract traffic that just won't survive the funnel.
The real opportunity, then, is sending perfectly matched people into an environment that instantly adapts to their changing habits.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it's really about building ultimate credibility.
Right, because you're actually providing real value.
Yeah, when you let the broker's concrete value proposition do the heavy lifting, speaking specifically about platform choice and asset coverage, you build trust with your audience instead of sounding like some sleazy late-night infomercial.
It shifts the entire dynamic. But it does leave one final provocative thought for you to chew on.
Oh, what's that?
Well, if long-term partner success relies so heavily on matching a user's highly specific trading intent, How might sudden, unpredictable shifts in retail trading trends require partners to continuously reinvent their messaging just to keep their audience engaged?
You mean like a meme stock craze or a crypto crash?
Exactly. Sudden shifts like that. It's definitely something to keep in mind the next time you design a campaign.